Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will share my top 9 fuel saving tips to help you have a better fuel economy. If you're driving on a straight road, roll up your windows and turn the AC on. It will lower the air resisting and have better aerodynamic. Carrying extra weight in the trunk will make your car burn more fuel. Less weight you carry, better fuel economy you will have. Always use recommended engine oil tap. Thicker oil will make the engine resist the oil viscosity and burn more fuel. Lower tire pressure will make the car have more friction because it will have more surface area and resist with the engine to burn more fuel. Check the door jamb or fuel door to know your car's tire pressure. Hard accelerating will burn more fuel than soft accelerating, and use cruise control when you are on steady speed driving. Having a clean air filter will increase your mile per gallon by 10%. This one looks okay, but if you flip it over, there is so much dust trapped inside. Air filter have to be replaced every 10,000 miles. Clean oxygen sensor will send accurate reading to the computer and let the fuel injectors open shorter time and burn less fuel. Clean fuel injectors is one of the most important ones in my opinion. I have so many videos about that, how to clean them even without removing. Link will be in the description box below if you want to check it out. Clean intake and exhaust valve will make the car have better pressure and the engine gets better fuel economy with the power increase as well. I also did some videos showing how to clean intake and exhaust valve even without taking them out. So that was my 9 top fuel saving tips. If you like the video and learned something new, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.